everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm so excited. We're opening up another new subscription box to our channel, and this one is called My Healthy Life Box. Finding joy within mind, body, and spirit. So this box is like a spiritual box, a box of self-discovery. You get things like crystals, teas, and other amazing items. I haven't peeked yet, but it sounds right up my alley. I am so excited. This was kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. I will link them down below. So you can get your first box for $19. And then after that, it is $39.99. And I believe you get at least $60 in value. But again, we're gonna open this together, check out everything inside, see if it's worth it. I feel like I'm already lit up by holding this box. So like high vibe energy inside, I can tell. But let's get it open and see what we've got. I think I have another new box coming next too. So it's like the week of new boxes, or yeah, probably the same week. Happy Thanksgiving to those who are watching in real time and celebrate, or in the US. It's tomorrow. It's the day I'm filming this is the day before. I open it up. Oh, it looks like there's a note for me. This is what it looks like. Is there a sticker too? How pretty is that? Let's see what they say. Kitty, welcome to My Healthy Life Box. We are excited to have you as an affiliate and hope you enjoy our box. Sending good vibes and smiles, Chris and Matthew. Oh, I love that. Sending good vibes and smiles. I might have to steal that. That's so cute. I love it so much. Thank you. And then do what makes you happy. I say this all the time on my other channel and readings. I'm like, do what feels good, do what makes you happy, what lights you up. Totally love that. I'm gonna stick that. It's like, oh, Emmy came to join us. And then we have something here that has all the items inside. Ooh, I'm so excited. I think I just saw there's a book in here. But let's read what this says. So this doubles as, you know, something to learn about the items, and you can place this somewhere. Peace. Okay. Peace does not mean to be in a place where there is no noise, trouble, or hard work. It means to be in the midst of those things and still be calm in your heart. Unknown. Oh, I love that quote. That's good. Isn't that pretty? And then they have an intention for the month. Oh, I love that. I'm all about intention setting. I do that every day. I try and do it for everything. Like Abraham Hicks talks about intention setting, like with intention segments, like with each segment of your day. So I'm going to start doing that. I intend for this video to go really well and for everyone to watch, who's watching, to really enjoy it and to enjoy their day as well. Sorry, I'm like in a goofy mood. I guess I always am. I'm not sorry for it. But okay, the intention for this month's collection is to support and inspire you to go within, to get quiet and reflect. Take time to be comfortable with yourself and learn to develop the tools to cope with what comes to you. Ooh, this is awesome. A lot of people have trouble being alone and going within because they're kind of afraid to like go within, you know, and face like their emotions and stuff that they've been holding on to. I've learned to do that. I spend a lot of time alone, but I'm all about exploring even more. I want to get deep in there and do the work. I'm going to take this out, and then Emmy can go sit on that. Here is a sneak peek of all the items inside. Let's start with this. It looks like a lavender. Yeah, lavender bath salts. Ooh, this looks lovely. And that's perfect for like a soothing night by yourself. Lavender bath salts made with all natural Epsom salts and dried lavender. We have to open this and smell it. I love this. I was just saying in a recent video, it's totally full, this will last a while, but I was saying in a recent video I want to take more baths. More reason to do so. But let's keep going. Ooh, I think we have two things that might go together. Yeah, I'll take one thing from the bottom of the box. So we have colored pencils and a coloring book. If you hear anything that's Emmy on the Zen Mandalas coloring book. Ooh, this is supposed to be really stress reducing and anxiety reducing, the act of coloring, and it really makes your inner child happy, I'm sure. Ooh, wow, these are cool. Okay, here's the first page. It looks like a dream catcher, or is it? I don't know, that's what the first thing that came to my mind. But then look at this. Oh, that looks so cool. Each page. There's so many little pieces to fill in and color. This is so fun. I love that. Adult coloring book. And then we have colored pencils. There's a 12 count, and they look like really fun, like neon type colors. Yeah. Ooh, good. For a second I thought they weren't sharpened. I have a sharpener. I don't know why I'm like, oh, you know, lazy Taurus in me sometimes comes out. But look at, aren't these so fun? This like hot pink is calling to me. And the greens, ooh. And well, this video will be up after the fact, but I'm getting my nails done in like an hour and a half, and I don't know what color to get. I've been going for like these colors, but now I'm like looking at this. I'm like, am I getting some inspiration? Should I go for a pink or a green? Awesome. So is there, I don't think we need to read about this. Well, let's see. We didn't read about the bath salts. Oh, so it gives you some like advice and stuff. So it says the most sacred of spaces is the space within you, your soul. Gift yourself the time to take a warm bath to restore and rejuvenate. Epsom salt baths are a relaxing way to remove energy residue from your aura and all energy bodies. This is unscented Epsom salts with lavender flowers. So it does give you like a reasoning why they put it in the box and how to use it too. I think that's awesome. And then for the coloring book, it talks about the spiritual practice of coloring mandalas is a journey into self-discovery and inner peace. Mandalas symbolize unity and completeness, and coloring them offers a path to reconnect with your inner self. A great practice for those seeking harmony and balance. I love that. And then it talks about colored pencils. You can use them to set the intention and infuse your mandala practice with special meditative experience that reflects your inner world. I love that. But now let's look at a book. I love books so much. I read all the time. A lot of you guys know this. And I don't have this. Whatever Arises, Love That. A Love Revolution That Begins With You by Matt Kahn. Oh, I'm excited. Groundbreaking teachings on engaging love is the most potent catalyst for transformation and healing. Oh my God, I love this. At this moment, there are endless gifts residing in your heart, and whatever arises, love that. Matt Kahn invites you to discover for yourself how powerful, inspired, and fulfilled you were always meant to be. Once the act of opening your heart is recognized as the timeless remover of every obstacle. Ooh, this sounds so good. There are 4 simple words that point the way towards liberation and fulfillment. Whatever arises, love that. This is a life-changing teaching that Matt Kahn has been sharing with millions of YouTube viewers around the world. Ooh, I have to look him up. I bet I've probably seen some of his videos. I watch only spiritual content and self-development stuff, like that pretty much exclusively. And yoga video. I guess that goes into line with that. I'm looking at the TV's on behind me. I can see what I've watched today. I've been watching the Mind Over Money summit videos every day. I'm constantly watching summits and stuff, and then I see the yoga videos right underneath that I did this morning. But anyways, the topics in this book include discovering the first step in finding inner peace, reclaiming the passion, joy, and inspiration of your true innocent nature, exploring the essential role of surrender throughout the spiritual journey, unraveling the patterns of ego with compassion and care, mastering the vital skill of conscious communication to uplift every relationship and encounter, and reuniting the mind and heart as a doorway into greater spiritual evolution. I'm so excited about this. So I know I'm talking about this for a while, but fine. We want to know what kind of book we're getting. So the contents. Beginning your love revolution, a master revealed. It goes into the heart of surrender, ego, suffering, and the overstimulating nervous system. So important to know all about this. Conscious communication. I'm not going to read every chapter, but awesome. Awakening, ascension. Oh, this is going to be so good. I'm so excited about this. Anything else I want to add from this little sheet? Discovering your ultimate potential by embracing the loving intelligence within. This book is your gateway to a worldwide love revolution. Yes, affirming your inherent worth to receive more love, not less. Delve into your heart's innate wisdom to awaken your fullest potential and reconnect your mind and heart to propel your spiritual evolution forward. I'm like so behind the message of this book, just from what I can tell so far, so I'm so excited to read this. I love getting books. I currently am reading A Happy Pocket Full of Money, but I'll read that next probably. I go through books kind of fast, so that's definitely I'm gonna keep it right here. Oh, Emmy's playing. We have another sticker that says Radiate Positivity. Ooh, we have an amethyst crystal here. You know, I love crystals. Amethyst Point. Amethyst invites you to connect with your intuition and higher self. In meditation, it adapts to your needs, whether clearing or stimulating the mind, and acts as a protective shield, transforming negative energies into love. Carrying amethyst daily fosters decisiveness and aligns your intuition with your common sense, guiding you to make soulful decisions rather than reacting to your environment. I love that. I love amethyst. Awesome. And then we have a mandala keychain. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love the colors of it. I love the blues. I'm really into blues lately. It's a little reflective. I actually have a new ring light. Hopefully it's okay. Yesterday my old ring light broke, and let's just say, I know people have issues with Amazon, but I'm so grateful for it. I ordered one. It was pretty cheap, but it seems okay. It was like a Black Friday deal, and it like had next morning delivery, so it's like noon and I'm able to film after breaking it last night at nighttime. So yeah, grateful for that. How about we all say something we're grateful for right now? I'm grateful for Amazon and my new ring light not causing any delays in videos, and this box. This is awesome. This is really pretty, but I saw the ring light in the reflection. That's what made me think of that. Mandala keychain. This beautifully designed keychain serves as a reminder of the tranquility within. As you gaze upon its intricate patterns, you're prompted to pause, breathe, and reconnect with your inner self, finding a sense of harmony even in the midst of your daily adventures. Awesome. And then our last item here. Ooh, oh my God, it's one of my favorite stones. I can see what it is based on the card here. We have a moss agate crystal bracelet. I love moss agate. I love green for abundance and love. Let's see what it says about this. So, green moss agate is a grounding stone with a deep connection to the earth. The grounding and stable properties can bring a sense of comfort being in your skin, allowing for a deeper connection to the soul and belief in oneself to emerge. I love that. It matches me. So pretty. I love it. So that was everything, you guys. I think this was so good. So we got the book, which by the way, I can see here it's $19.95. So this is like the whole, first box. This is one of the items. Because I know some people like to know pricing. There wasn't pricing on the sheet, but yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that. So excited about this. This is probably what I'm the most excited about, is the book. And then we have our coloring book and our pencils. The bracelet, of course. This amethyst point, good size crystal too. The bath salts, the keychain, the stickers. Did I say that already? So yeah, I think this is great. It really lit me up. I love the message behind it. But yeah, I have to say the book is my favorite. What do you think is the best? The book, then the crystal stuff. I like all of it though. But like I just, I like to tell you guys my favorites. But I think it's definitely worth it. I think this was so fun to open. It's so me. So hopefully you guys resonated with the two and enjoyed it. I will link them down below. Get your first box for $19. Yeah, can't wait to hear from you. I just want to let everyone know I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. You mean so much to me. Thank you so much for being here. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Like this video, leave a comment. Do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you so much. Have a great day.